Whether you need help finding articles, want to enhance your research skills, or need a place to study, the Health Sciences and Human Services Library can help you. I'd like to show you some of the online resources and services the library offers. The library's website is www.hshsl.umaryland.edu. To access the library's resources from off-campus, click on the OffCampus Access button in the top right-hand corner of our homepage. After you log in with your ID and password, you'll be able to click on links to any database, journal, book, or other resource from the library without being asked to log in again. You can use the library's resources to find books and journal articles for your coursework or research. OneSearch will let you search for books owned by HSHSL and other USMAI libraries, as well as articles pulled from multiple databases. When you search for an article through the library's website, you'll be able to view the full text of the article easily. You can find links to databases such as PubMed, Medline, and CINAHL under databases on the right side of our homepage. If you need a book, you can see if it's available using the library catalog. If the book is checked out, or only available at another USMAI library, you can place a request for it and pick it up at HSHSL. You can sign up to use the free interlibrary loan service to request books, book chapters, and articles that the library doesn't have access to. Do you need help finding an article or searching a database? You can schedule an online research consultation with a librarian. You can register for an online workshop to learn how to use citation managers, 3D printing, or the new PubMed database. If you're looking for a place to study or work, you can reserve a study room on the second or third floor using our online booking system. Have questions? Contact our virtual reference desk by emailing hshhsl@umaryland.edu or use the chat box. Thanks for watching.